Welcome back everyone. Today we learn about anatomy of the eye. This is the front view of the eye. And this is the horizontal section of the eye. Firstly, we will look at the structures of the external parts of the eye. The sclera is a tough coat, protecting the inner parts of the eye, and the tissue depends on blood vessels for nourishment. It is the white of the eye. The choroid provides oxygen and nourishment to both the retina and the sclera. It is pigmented with melanin, which prevents internal reflection of light rays. The retina contains light-sensitive photoreceptor cells which have rods and cones to convert light energy into electrical energy that travels along the optic nerve to the brain for decoding what is seen. Secondly, we will look at the structures of the internal parts of the eye. The vitreous chamber or vitreous humor provides pressure on rear of the eyeball to keep it in position and maintain the shape of the eyeball. It refracts light entering the eye and nourishes the retina. The optic nerve sends message to the brain. The fovea centralis or yellow spot is the location where photoreceptor cells are most densely packed with cones to produce the sharpest image to the brain. It has the highest concentration of cones and has no rods. The blind spot is the location where there are no photoreceptor cells, both rods and cones, since the optic nerve leaves the retina here. If light falls on this place, no message will be sent to the brain. Lastly, we will look at the frontal parts of the eye. The conjunctiva is a thin transparent membrane covering the white of the eye. It secretes mucus that helps keep the front of the eyeball moist and is continuous with the eyelid. The cornea refracts light the most and aids in the focusing of light into the eye. It obtains nourishment from tears. The pupil is a hole that allows light into the eye. The iris controls the size of the pupil with radial and circular muscles. The lens is transparent and elastic such that it can alter its shape to focus on the image. It does so by decreasing its focal length by being thicker or by increasing its focal length by being thinner. The suspensory ligament connects the lens to the ciliary muscle and helps to stretch or relax the lens. The ciliary muscle allows the stretching or thickening of the lens to focus image on the retina. The aqueous chamber or aqueous humor provides pressure on the front of the eyeball to keep it in position. It refracts light entering the eye and nourishes the cornea and lens. That's all for today. Thank you for the effort to learn with me. Stay tuned for more interesting lessons. See you next time. Bye-bye.